Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I want us to talk about emotional intelligence, the tool that as an adult I wish they trained us to have once we were kids, but now we are older and definitely we have to learn on the go, and this is definitely one to learn. I don't want to get very factual based, but I really just want us to tune into how we feel, because managing your emotions is not something that comes very easily. It's something you have to slowly train yourself to have. And I know that I've also had to go through like an evolution of learning myself, learning my emotions, and learning how to regulate myself in moments. There are moments when you just want to scream. There are moments when you just want to have like an outburst and just cry, like a really ugly cry in front of people. And there are moments when your emotions can get the best of you to the point that you can't function through the day. So how do you do this? At least for the very start, you really need to be aware of how you're feeling. So if you can't tune into yourself and feeling the emotions and really analyzing what exactly you're feeling at the moment, the easiest way is to journal your emotions so you can know what exactly am I feeling. Journaling is going to really give you a proper awareness of what is going on, and will also help you to take accountability in certain moments. For instance, have you ever been so mad at somebody, so mad at them to the point that you feel like they did you wrong, and you have this outburst of emotions and anger towards them, only for you to realize they were not the problem, but you were the problem? And that's after you've really gone through your feelings. Maybe you've noted down exactly how you're feeling in the moment, and then you realize they didn't do anything to me. I was probably already frustrated and sad that I actually took out my anger on these people and they were not at fault. So that's what journaling really does for you. It helps you to understand, am I sad, am I frustrated, or am I disappointed? Once you get to know how you're feeling, then you know how to act better. Yeah. Now, another thing that you can do better in managing or developing emotional intelligence is to be intentional about how you want to feel. It is so crazy, but there are people who actually really determine how they feel through the day. Like for instance, today you can set out to say, I want to be happy all through the day. Like I don't want anything to rattle me. I don't want anything to change the discourse of my day, to change the narrative of my day, because this is what I want for myself. So if you want to set the narrative of your day, it's just as good as you waking up in the morning and meditating on yourself. How would you want to feel? Do you want to be happy? Do you want to feel productive all through the day? Do you want to be, helpful and kind and supportive to people? And that will help you, because in the course of the day, there's something that's going to get you unaware, that's going to shake you up. For instance, you could have a moment where someone treats you in a way that makes you to feel so bad about yourself, and you can end up carrying that emotion all throughout the day for yourself. Now, the difference is when you're intentional about how you want to feel all through the day, it doesn't matter if someone makes you feel some type of way, because you've already set the narrative for yourself and you're intentional about making sure that you really continue the day in that way. You continue in the day being happy, being helpful and kind and joyful. Those are things you really have to determine, yeah? And I think also with emotional intelligence, it's kind of, it's like an interesting way to manifest how you want your life to be, how you want your emotions to be. You can decide to not be angry at certain things. Like not everything has to rattle you and shake you up and make you feel some type of way. You can choose what makes you feel a certain way, because your emotions, you are in control of your emotions. Don't let your emotions control you. You can tell yourself, you know what, this could make me really, really angry, but I want to choose to not be mad at this, because it's going to mess up my day. It's going to mess up everything for me, and I wouldn't want that. It goes a long way, because sometimes if you're not intentional about creating a certain life for yourself, a certain balance for yourself, then you're never going to have it, because life is going to throw you curveballs day in, day out that will challenge you. And the only way you can be able to also challenge it right back is having tools that you can use on an everyday basis to, just empower yourself to remain joyful, happy, and to live a really intentional life. So the purpose of this video is to really get you thinking about how can I be able to manage my emotions, and how can I be able to go through life, balanced and happy, and really determine my joy and my happiness intentionally. Now, I hope this kind of content was quite helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, because then the algorithm will pick it up and make sure that more and more people that need it will be able to watch it. And at the same time, if you like more of this content, then make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll be able to watch all the next videos. Until next time, bye.